Hi, I'm Ray, and I really need some help today. I've bought this plant from the dead section of the supermarket with a yellow label, and it's just a couple of pounds, but I'm not sure what it is. It just says grown with care, indoor plant selected by our florist, but it's got quite a nice leaf and it looks quite a nice plant, and I could see there's some new growth. I really don't know what it is, what it's called, so I'm really asking for some help today. What is it? So my first job is going to open it up, take it out this plastic. This we can get it some air and give it some water. So it looked quite a nice plant when it was new, but a lot of the lower leaves are dead. This leaf is still a little bit green, but we have got a new shoot coming up right in the middle. So what I'm asking is, A, what kind of plant is this? And B, how should I proceed to try and get this to grow on? So, if you've got any answers, let me know in the comments. I'm most appreciative, and we can have a look at growing this on. It'll be a lovely plant if it can get it to grow. Let me know what we need to do. What would you do?